Hello friends, this is part 2 in this series of videos on matrix operations where we would see that how we could add or subtract matrices. So a matrix can be added and subtracted if and only if they are of the same order. So this is very important condition that they have to be of the same order. And then the sum or difference of two m into n matrices is again another m into n matrix, and whose elements are sum of the corresponding elements of the component matrices. Let us take an example. Here the question says that we have to add a and b and then we have to subtract b from a. Now just now we saw the rule that matrices can be added and subtracted if and only if they are of the same order. Let's see order of this matrix. This matrix has 3 rows and 3 columns. So order of matrix is 3 by 3. And let's see order of this matrix B. It has 2 rows and 3 columns. So the order of this matrix is 2 by 3. Can these matrices be added or subtracted? No. Why? Because the orders are different. So the matrix addition and subtraction is not possible. It is possible only when the orders of both the matrices are same. Let us take another example. In this example we have to add A and B and we have to subtract B from A. So before doing this we have to check their order. So this matrix is a 2 by 3 matrix, and this is also a 2 by 3 matrix because they both have 2 rows and 3 columns. So they can be added and subtracted. So we've just added them. So the resultant matrix C is addition of A plus B. Now we have to add the corresponding elements. You just see this is A1 one element of this matrix, this is A1 one element of this matrix. So 6 and 9 are corresponding elements. So we did 6 plus 9. Similarly we did 4 plus 2, minus 7 plus 6, 1 minus 8, 8 plus 3, 3 plus 8. And we've got this answer. 6 plus 9 is equal to 15, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, minus 7 plus 6 is equal to 1, 1 minus 8 is equal to minus 7, 8 plus 3 11, and 3 plus 8 11. Similarly, when we did A minus B to get resultant matrix D, we've subtracted B elements from A elements. So we have done 6 minus 9, 4 minus 2, minus 7 minus 6, 1 minus minus 8, 8 minus 3, and 3 minus 8. So we've got 6 minus 9 minus 3, 4 minus 2 as 2, minus 7 minus 6 as minus 13, 1 minus minus 8, that becomes 1 plus 8, so we've got 9, 8 minus 3 5, and 3 minus 8 minus 5. So this is very easy. We've checked how do we add and subtract two matrices. It's very important to check whether rank of both the matrices are same or not. Now some properties we need to remember. First, A plus B is equal to B plus A. So whether you add A or B or you add B or A, the order doesn't matter. Then A plus B plus C. So first you add A plus B and then the resultant matrix you add to C. It is same as if you add B plus C first and then add the resultant to A. Then if you multiply a number k to A plus B, the resultant of A plus B, if you multiply it with the number k, scalar multiplication, it is same as if you multiply the number with matrix A separately and with matrix B separately and then add both of them. Then if you add a null matrix to any matrix, you'll get the original matrix again, because you know null matrix is what? Where all elements are 0. And then if you add a matrix with its additive inverse, what do we call it? Additive inverse. You'll get the null matrix again. So A minus its additive inverse minus A, you'll get a null matrix. Or either you do minus A plus A, you'll get a null matrix. So this is all about matrix addition and subtraction. Thank you.